Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the online world with ease. Today, we're diving into a super common frustration: how to fix AliExpress won't accept your card in 2025. If you've ever tried to check out on AliExpress only to see that dreaded error message, don't worry. We've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions that work. First off, let's talk about why this happens. AliExpress might reject your card due to mismatched details, security settings, regional restrictions, or even issues with your browser. It's often nothing major, but it can be a real buzzkill when you're excited about that new gadget or fashion find. Step 1. Double-check your card information. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered correctly. Typos are the number one culprit. Also, verify that your card has sufficient funds and isn't expired. If everything looks good, move to step 2. Next, consider your browser and device. Clear your cache and cookies, then try using a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes, outdated software or extensions can interfere with payments. If you're using a VPN, that might be the issue too. AliExpress has strict policies on locations, so disable it and try again. If that doesn't work, explore alternative payment methods. AliExpress supports options like PayPal, Google Pay, or even virtual cards. Switch to one of these and see if it goes through. Remember, in 2025, many platforms are pushing for secure digital wallets, so this could be a great opportunity to update your setup. Lastly, if all else fails, contact AliExpress support. They have a helpful chat feature or email service that can investigate specific issues with your account or card. Be sure to provide details like the error message for faster resolution. There you have it. Simple fixes to get you back to shopping in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.